Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in to Amazon Prime Video on a smart TV so you can start watching your favorite shows and movies. First, turn on your smart TV and use the supplied remote control to press the home or menu button. From the main screen, select Video, Applications, My Apps, or Apps depending on your TV model. Next, find and select the Amazon Prime Video app. Once the app opens, choose Sign In or Sign In and start watching. At this point, you may see a QR code on your TV screen. If you do, you can scan the QR code using your smartphone camera and follow the instructions to sign in. If you don't see a QR code, you'll see a 6-letter registration code displayed on the screen. Make a note of that code because you'll need it in the next step. Now, using a computer, tablet, or mobile device, open a web browser and go to the Amazon sign-in page. Sign in to your Amazon Prime account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After signing in, enter the registration code shown on your TV screen, then select Register Device. If you don't see a place to enter the code, go directly to amazon.com/gp/video/omtv/code and enter it there. Once the registration is complete, your TV will automatically refresh and you'll be signed in. You can now start streaming Amazon Prime Video on your smart TV. If you ever want to manage or remove devices connected to your Prime Video account, log into your Amazon account on a computer or mobile device and go to the Manage Devices section. And that's how you sign in to Amazon Prime Video on a smart TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.